Today we'll be learning about the area of a circle. We can find the area of a circle by using the formula A is equal to pi r squared. To understand how we get to this formula, we can consider the circle on the bottom left. This circle has a radius of r and a circumference of 2 pi r. Imagine that we took very skinny pizza slices from this circle. And then we can line up these slices. You will get a rectangle. The width of the rectangle is r units and the length of the rectangle is 2 pi r. Now we do know how to calculate the area of a rectangle. It will be base times height, which will be 2 pi r multiplied by r, giving us 2 pi r squared, the area of a circle. Here is our first example. Calculate the area of each circle. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. In circle A, we have a radius of 3 meters. To calculate the area, we'll do area is equal to pi r squared. Substitute r as 3. So we're looking for pi multiplied by 3 squared. Put this into the calculator and we will get 28.2743 continued. This is approximately 28.3 meters, correct to 1 decimal place. Example B, we have a circle where the diameter is 8.4 centimeters. To calculate the area, we need to substitute r as half the diameter. Half the diameter will be 4.2. Use the calculator to find the answer to this. We'll get 55.417 continued, and this will be approximately 55.4 centimeters, correct to 1 decimal place. Here is our second example. Calculate the area of these shapes. Give your answer in exact form. Exact form means leave pi in the answer. In A, we have a semicircle of radius 6. To calculate the area of a semicircle, we need to half the area of a circle. So the area formula becomes half pi r squared. Substitute r as 6 centimeters. We want the answer in exact form, so we need to evaluate 6 squared, which will be 36. The 2 remains in the denominator, pi. The answer in exact form will be 18 pi centimeters. In example B, we have a quarter of a circle with a radius of 12 millimeters. We need to change the area formula to become a quarter multiplied by pi r squared. Substitute r to be 12. Evaluate 12 squared, which is 144. And 144 divided by 4 will give us 36 pi millimeters. Here is our last example. The area of a circle is 45 square centimeters. Calculate the radius of the circle. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. To complete this, we need to write the area formula, which is area is equal to pi r squared. Substitute A to be 45 centimeters, so 45 is equal to pi multiplied by r squared. We need to rearrange this equation to make r the subject. First thing is to divide both sides by pi. 45 divided by pi will look like this, and so we'll be left with r squared on the right hand side. To get r by itself, we need to square root both sides. Finally, in the calculator, r will be 3.7846, which is approximately 3.78 centimeters.